Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tasleem and today in this video we will be talking about a new job vacancy. Cathay Pacific Airline, which is a Hong Kong based airline, is hiring for customer care for Mumbai location, and you have to apply before 31st of August. And if you want to know more about company description, you can read here. Now we will know about key responsibilities and eligibility criteria. Process of application is very simple. I'll provide you the link in the description box so that you can read everything about this application. So these are the requirements. Graduate in any discipline is the minimum. Knowledge, skills, training and experience. Good command of written and spoken English is a must. Customer service oriented attitude, great communication, listening and problem solving skills, ability to work as a part of team and independently, ability to work organized and focused, ability to work under pressure, willing to work on shift including overnight shifts and weekend. So after going through the requirements, benefits, job responsibilities and personal and application information, you have to apply online now. So when you will click this apply now, you will reach this kind of interface. So now you have to complete the application in just 7 steps. So in the first step, you have to mention your personal information, your country, your first name, last name, your contact number. And in the second step, you have to mention about the role specific information, in which you have to mention about your country. So in third question, this is very simple and you have to provide the country name, and in fourth you have to provide the cover letter, and in the same fifth you have to submit your CV here. Okay, so after submitting the CV, we will reach to the sixth step. So in sixth step, we have to submit some documents, and in seventh we have to accept that we have applied online for this position. So if you want to know more about airline job vacancy, you can subscribe to my channel, and please do not forget to press that big fat like button because it motivates me to make more videos. Thank you so much for watching.